y'all, it's been a minute. I have been sick, but we are back. Today I'm going to be showing how I install my frontals on clients with a low hairline. As you see, I have already done everything. We're just going straight to the gluing. And of course, I'm going to do my 3 layers and blow dry after each layer until it turns clear. Make sure as soon as your glue turns clear, you go ahead and lay the lace on top of it, because if you wait, the glue will dry and it will not stick. It will slide back and do all types of stuff. So now it is time to lay the lace on top of the glue, and we're going to place it in the spots that we want it to lay and comb it through. I like to work from side to side. It's just better for me. And of course, when you're done with that, you're going to blow dry everything in using the hot button. I don't use the cool button. Sometimes I do, but most of the times I use hot. Now I am going to get my scissors and cut my sections. Then I'm going to go ahead and get my eyebrow razor to cut off the extra lace. Make sure you go in a zigzag motion, because if you go in a straight line, it is going to leave a line of demarcation. And I just want you all to see how melted this lace is up close and personal. Like, oh my god, y'all, just get into this lace, period. We are going to do a few baby hairs today, not too much, and we're going to do a side part. Today I'm going to use the Beautiful Hustlers Bum Goo, and it works miracles, y'all. I love it. It dries super quick. Then I'm going to get some of my Nairobi Smooths to lay on top of those baby hairs and that lace, just to melt everything down when it's tied down. Make sure you blow dry in the front so everything could start drying, and then style as needed. I hope y'all enjoy watching this video. This is the finished look. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later.